Hello? Hello? Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we're gonna be doing an on feet with different pants on these 2023 white cement 3s. But before we start the video, I want to let you guys know that Valentine's Day is right around the corner. So if you're looking for that perfect gift, I got y'all. I just started making these custom LED night lights that you could have for you and your shorty. There's 16 different colors, 4 different modes. It comes with a remote and it comes custom engraved with your names on it as well as your anniversary. So if y'all are looking for the perfect gift, hit the link down below in the description to cop one. And I'll also be doing a ton of Valentine's Day drops on my Instagram at sneakerheadinthebay. I just want to let you guys know that in case y'all are scrambling for that perfect gift, I got y'all. But anyways, let's go ahead and start this video. Real quick before the video starts, yes, that is a pair of Fugazi Travis's before anyone points them out. I was using them as a reference for this reverse swoosh that I was trying to make, but I just never got the chance to do it, so yeah, man. Okay, starting off strong, we're starting with the Shop Us versus Them pants right here. This is probably one of my favorite combinations right here. First of all, because the pants are just fire on their own, but with the shoes, it just gives that nostalgic feel. And I just want to give a huge shout out to the homie, man. I met him at Got Soul up in LA a few weeks ago, or probably a month ago, and I picked up these pants right here. So I think this is a cool look. I will have all of the pants that you see linked down below in the description if y'all are looking for prices and information and all that.
Girl, you like my beamer, you got angel eyes. Front and in the back, no, I can't pick a side. Yeah, you need some direction, never left or right. I used to have some demons, but I let them die. I love you, but I think that you was never mine. You never lied, time I used to set aside.
Next up, I'm rocking these Nike pants. I forgot what the exact model is, but I'll throw it up on the screen right here. These pants are one of my favorite to wear just because they're not super long and they just fit my body very well. Like around my leg, it doesn't feel super tight. It has that baggy look slash tapered look at the same time. Just something about these pants is super comfortable to me, so I love them. I always like rocking these. I used to wear khaki pants a lot in high school, so it kind of brings me back a little bit, but this time it's a lot more comfy.
Know how it all goes this far away, no, we never came close. Mind in my eyes, I could keep you on both. Always had doubt or we never had hope. Oh, girl, you let
Next up, we got the black version of the pants that I just showed you. Again, those Nike pants that I forgot the name of, my bad. But this pair right here is one of my most worn pair of pants just because it goes well with everything. This pair of pants looks good on Dunks. It looks good on Jordan 3s, Jordan 4s. It just looks amazing at all times. So that's why it's one of my most worn pair of pants. And if y'all have a chance to get them, try them out and let me know what y'all think.
I can't take back, I feel so much, I can't fake that. I was too protective, girl, I know you hate that. I got so much money but could never give out payback. I got some things on my mind tonight.
Next up, we got a pair of raw denim. I haven't really seen too many people wear raw denim these days, but when I was growing up and I was getting into sneakers, if you had raw denim, you were cool. I'm talking about the Nudies, APCs, Naked and Famous. So these ones right here are the Naked and Famous brand. Usually with all raw denim, they feel really crisp when you first get them, but as you wear them, they soften up. They start getting this like really nice worn look. It's just something that you can't find on a normal pair of jeans. So I love wearing these Naked and Famouses, but I just put it on for this video to show y'all what it would look like. But to be honest, the bleed on these things would probably be crazy on that white leather.
Need some direction, never left or right. I used to have some demons, but
Next up, we got some minimal snap cargo pants, and something about that olive color just looks nasty with this combo. I don't know if it's that cream playing off with that olive, but I'm getting mad fall vibes on this one. And I got these pants from Minimal a while back, so I'm sure they have some sort of updated version on them, but I can't really complain too much. They got some nice pocket details. They're pretty comfortable and they're not too expensive.
whoa, too bad was you know they roll. Getting hot because of lows, and I only hold you closer cause it's cold. Feelings we never do show, I give you some X and O. Yeah, I had to hit the road, I had to go. I'm eating pasta with the truffle, 15 racks up in the duffel. My dog crazy, they need muzzles, my drip wavy.
Next up, we have some Nike Tech Fleece for that winter staying cozy kind of vibe. I'll be honest, I haven't really worn my Tech Fleece in a minute. I just don't know what it is. I used to wear it a lot, but I'm just not really feeling it these days.
Vegetables, zeros keep on coming, not one decimal. Money stretching, but my schedule not flexible. When you lit, girl, I need it quick. Damn, I love your lips, don't say nothing, keep them zip. My perspective shift, all of a sudden we would drift. Cute little tang with the buttercup kiss.
Sticking to that sweatpant kind of theme, I'm rocking the Essential sweats right here in this almost like olivey tan colorway. I don't even know what colorway it is, to be honest. I think it's a good combo right here. This is one of those like chillax, lazy day fits and cozy fits for sure.
Mixed race buttercup, Canada weather, gotta bundle up. I'm trying to work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa. Too bad was you know they roll. Getting hot because of lows, and I only hold you closer cause it's cold. Feelings we never do show, I give you some.
Now if it was summertime, I'd probably go with this combo right here. Maybe with just Nike long socks instead of these stance socks.
Feelings that we never get to show. We don't even gotta let them know. Yeah, you buttercup, babe.
And this is how it is with Nike low cut socks. That's going to end this video right here. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'm gonna be busy taking classes and doing training, so if I'm MIA for a little bit, that's why, but I'll try to be back for another video soon. I'll catch you guys very soon for the next one though. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. I'm out. Peace.